poison can come in many forms.
There's certainly a lot of very colorful, like flavored or scented sort of cleaning products that might trick a kid into thinking they're having a Gatorade.
Dr. Alexander Ortega works in the pediatric intensive care unit at Golisano Children's Hospital. He says even a little bit of poison can do serious damage.
Even small doses of some very potent things, like very strong alkali, like kind of cleaning things, can cause caustic or burns into the oral cavity or even down to the esophagus without even a significant quantity being swallowed.
He discourages parents from trying at-home remedies because it can make things worse.
Trying to induce vomiting or trying to dilute whatever they just had by swallowing a lot of water or milk.
Your first step should be to call poison control and seek medical care with
the knowledge of what was taken, the dose that was what was taken, and the total quantity taken will help be able to guide the future treatment.
There's a poison exposure every 15 seconds, so make sure your home is safe.
You almost have to assume that if there is a possibility that your child can get into it, that they will find the way to get into it. So locking up things or some of those commercial devices that help to block the ability of a child to get into a drawer.
Lee Health's Golisano Children's Hospital has Lee County's only pediatric emergency department. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.